Welcome to Turbo Rider today. Let's talk about one of India's most trusted and best-selling scooters, the 2025 Honda Activa 6G. It's known for its reliability, comfort, and excellent fuel efficiency. Let's quickly go through what makes this scooter so special. Engine and performance. The 2025 Activa 6G comes with a 109.51 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine that produces 7.84 PS of power and 8.9 Newton-meters of torque. It uses a CVT automatic gearbox, which means the ride feels smooth and effortless. Plus, the silent start ACG motor ensures that the scooter starts quietly, without any vibrations. Design and features. The Activa 6G retains its classy and simple design but adds modern touches. You now get LED headlamps, a digital analog instrument cluster, and an external fuel lid for easy refueling. The H-Smart variant also comes with smart key technology, giving you remote lock, unlock, and even an anti-theft alert. Comfort and safety. For a smooth ride, Honda has equipped the Activa 6G with telescopic front suspension and 3-step adjustable rear shocks. Safety is handled by Honda's combined braking system, which applies both brakes together for better control. IT also features tubeless tires and a ground clearance of 162 mm, perfect for Indian roads. Mileage and price. The scooter delivers an impressive mileage of around 50 to 55 km per litre and has a fuel tank capacity of 5.3 litres. Price starts at around 79,000 Indian rupees for the standard model and goes up to 87,000 Indian rupees for the top H-Smart variant. Conclusion. Overall, the 2025 Honda Activa 6G is perfect for riders who want a reliable, comfortable, and fuel-efficient scooter for daily use. It's simple, stylish, and built to last, a scooter you can truly depend on. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.